first product that I need to sell is a meeting and a tour.
Yep.
And sometimes I feel like I can't really get to that step without begging.
Okay, I'm going to give you a way to get to that step without begging. Fair enough?
Yes, please.
Here's what you need to realize. Okay, what we don't want to do is turn this into a, I know of 15,000 different problems. If I could ask you a few questions, I'll be able to tell you where I might be able to help you, because they don't want to do that, right? And it doesn't work, and clearly you know that doesn't work. It's really tough. The other alternative is I'm going to beg you. Can I have a meeting? Blah, 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 blah. The thing that I want you to start adding is, man, I'm embarrassed to say, but I'm in production facilities like yours every day. And on the, to add to that, I actually really enjoy my job. I nerd out on this stuff. I've got an incredible team of engineers behind me. Here's what I would love to do, because there's a couple ideas I want to make sure that you guys are aware of. But if I can get in there and take a look around, I'm going to be able to see things as I tour, as I literally put my eyeballs on it, that I'm probably going to have noticed other companies with other challenges, and be able to give you some feedback on just what I'm seeing there. Essentially, call it management consulting. Here's what I'll promise. You have me come in, I'll be able to share some insights with you that are going to be completely helpful for you, whether you do business with us or not. Just by proxy, by fact that I'm in facilities like this hundreds of times a year, if there's something that I'm not seeing that I should be seeing, I'm more than happy to let you know. If there's something that you're doing that elite people are doing that I'm seeing that you're doing it, I'm happy to let you know on that. Like, it's just good to have somebody that looks at this all day, every day, be able to go, that's great, that's great. You might have a gap there. And then that way you'll just have information that, you wouldn't normally have, whether you do business with us or not, whether I get my engineers involved or not. This is all I do. I spend times in other facilities. And here's what you have to remember, Lena. They don't. I'm going to say that again because it's really important. People in those roles feel like they're an expert. And don't tell them this. Keep this between you and I. They're not. You're way more of an expert than they are. Why? They don't invite each other into their facilities. And when they go to conferences, their conversations go down two roads. It's either, it's horrible where we're at, are you guys looking to hire me, which is 2% of the time. 98% of them, they're like, we're great. Because nobody wants to share intel with the enemy, right? And by the way, they'll bring in a McKinsey, a Forrester, and all these people. And management consultants, they're with their an agenda to bill hours. You're one of the only people on planet EARTH that gets permission to go into these facilities and walk around and have data and look around, that is able to share without breaching any NDAs or anything. Don't imply that you're going to give them, I'm not giving you anybody's, but here's the thing. I'm in these facilities hundreds of times a year, right? So I would love to come by. I'm happy to do it. I enjoy doing it. It's what I get paid to do. I'm happy to come by. I'm happy to take a look. I'm happy to see what I see. Whether you do business with me or not, that's part of my job, and I'm happy to do it for you. Now you've basically approached that meeting as, this is management consulting, right? And by the way, I've made a ton of money saying these words. Lloyd, you will be I promise you this, okay? If you have me come out. I'm not going to try and sell you something. This is not going to be a pitch. I just want to look around, see what you guys are doing. I've got a couple ideas I want to get your opinion on. My goal is I want this 20 minutes that we spend together in your facility, I want this to be a very valuable 20 minutes. Selfishly, I want this to be the most valuable 20 minutes that you have this year. Okay, you might not think that's the case, but this is all I do is go in facilities, and there's a lot of value in you guys, how are you dealing with 1, 2, 3 and ABC, right? And I'm happy to share any ideas that come top of mind from me, whether you do business with us or not. I literally nerd out on this stuff. I love doing it. I love being in facilities, right? And that's how I want you to sell that. It's like, it's their benefit of having you come and visit. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm gonna cover all the costs for you. We're gonna get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're gonna get access to the class. It's gonna show you how to close any one, anytime without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.